So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change your Jio Fiber Wi-Fi password. In order to do this process you need an application named My Jio. You have to sign into this application via your Jio Fiber fixed line number. Once you sign in and open the Jio Fiber application, it will open something like this and it will look something like this. Now in order to change the Wi-Fi password, just simply go to the Fiber option at the top left corner. You can see it's just right there. Then when you click on this option, you have to go to the option of my devices at the most below of the screen. You can see it's just right there. Just simply click on the option of my devices. When you go in this option, here you will see all your Wi-Fi details with the connected devices and all. Now in order to change the Wi-Fi password, you can see you have to scroll down and go to the option of Wi-Fi SSID settings. Here you will see the name of your Wi-Fi. Just simply click on this option, and from here when you click there, you can see the option of edit password. Just simply click on this button of edit, and here you have to enter the password once and enter the password again for the confirmation. Once you are done, you can use multiple characteristics for making your password stronger. You can add multiple space and capital letters, small letters, and some special characters as well, but it should not contain some of these icons which is visible right there, and else you can use anything else to make your password stronger. So by this method you can easily change your Jio Fiber Wi-Fi password. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.